The Apprentice of the Year is a trophy for recognition, leadership and a top quality person inside our industry.
We've all kind of been watching each other, trying to pick up on what the other's doing, just seeing how they do it differently.
It's a little bit of competition, everyone's trying to stay humble obviously, but yeah, there'll be obviously a bit of competition there.
A lot of differences between us, so I can't say who's going to win for sure.
Initially there was some nerves that we could see there, which would be consistent with anybody being in a competitive environment. But they seem to have all settled down now and found a nice rhythm.
The winner will give future apprentices something to inspire to, and in this case the Golden Gun, Golden Hammer. It's the pinnacle of your apprenticeship to say that you competed and put your best foot forward.
I have to do a metal finish repair, no bog, just hammer and dolly, something that's a bit out of my comfort zone. And also a cut and weld sectioning on a chassis rail.
We are looking at the commitment to training, focus on health and safety, and in particular today their attention to detail and ability to follow instructions.
We're looking at identifying a bare metal service, correct preparation, correct use of primers, applying a top coat, which is a 3-layer white pearl, then simulating a repair situation where they then have to repair that and show us that they can blend it and make an invisible blend.
I was 16 and I get a call from a apprenticeship. They said, oh, there's a job open at Harrow. I was like, oh sweet, what doing? They said panel beating. I was like, oh yeah, so I'm keen to give that a go. We got off the phone and I said to my mum, I was like, Mum, what's a panel beater?
It was first I crashed my sister's car actually.
Driving and a bird hit my wing mirror.
My father was a spray painter by trade as well.
I'd say my dad, seeing him paint at a high level.
I was never a car guy, couldn't even use a screwdriver.
Tore the front bumper off and I tried fixing it without her knowing, which didn't work.
And I just thought I'll paint it myself, I guess.
Went from there, started tattooing on my own cars.
And I enjoyed it, so I just decided to pursue that as a career.
Come out of school, went down a road I probably shouldn't have, went into jail, come out of jail, really wanted to be a man because I had children and basically I need to be a father, be a provider for them, give them everything I can teach them. They are my drive, so they drove me to find the career that I wanted and go and ask.
The best part of my job is laying down the clear coat and looking at it once it's finished. Done a good job. It's pretty satisfying watching the clear go on.
This morning so far they've done really well. The standard of work is really high and the guys haven't disappointed. They're all going really well.
One of the most important things about vocational education in the collision repair and repair industries is that it's hands-on, and so it's great to see the practical element across the Golden Gun and the Golden Hammer.
The winner will give future apprentices something to inspire to. If there's a prize or a golden ticket at the end of it, and in this case the Golden Gun, Golden Hammer, it's the pinnacle of your apprenticeship to say that you competed and put your best foot forward.